The autoplay control panel is a software that comes in the CD that will open automatically when you insert the CD in the drive. It allows you to do different tasks. You can copy all the files from the hard drive and install the software. You can copy the files only without installing the software, or you can install the software without copying the other files except the files that are necessary to run the CorelDRAW plugin. Cancel button will cancel the installation and close the control panel. Close button will terminate the control panel. Explore CD button displays the contents of the CD, and you can play or open a file using an associated program to run or open the selected file. Videos shows the video files in the CD, and you can also run the videos using a media player that is in your computer. Install software is a multi-function button. The name and the functionality changes depending on the selected option amongst the three options in the control panel. If I click copy and install, the name of this button will change to copy and install, and also the destination folder will appear. The destination folder can be changed if you want to a different name. If there is no folder in the hard drive, it will create one for you. If there is already a folder with the same name, the control panel will not let you copy any files into that existing folder. You have to rename that folder name in order for you to copy the files from the CD to the hard drive. This folder window also appears when copy only option is selected. Okay, I'm going to click copy only selected, and watch this one change to copy only also. I'm going to click install only. The folder window disappears, and the name of the button is changed to install software. Again, if I click copy only, see the destination folder is displayed again. And when you click copy button, it will copy all the files. Same thing with copy and install. It will copy all the files and then install the software. I'm going to click install only to go back to default control panel. And there is also a help button. The help button will open up a pop-up window that briefly describes what I already explained to you. So you can always review if you are getting confused on how to use the buttons. You can always click help, and like I said, basically everything I explained are explained in this window. So I'm going to close it. we're going to visit the CD dialog box. We'll click Explore. It will open up a message on how to open or run a file. So read that to get you familiar. I'm going to click OK. Dialog box will open and display all the files. That box, you have to right click on the file and look for the program that will open it. Since the user manual is a PDF file, we're going to use Adobe Reader. So I'm going to click that. And the user manual will open. You can read it now or read it later on. You can also print it by clicking this icon. Configure the printer window, dialog box, and then click print. I'm going to close it. You cancel this dialog box, and we're going to visit the videos by clicking the video button. Again, a message will tell you how to run or open up a video. Click it. Look for the video you want to watch. I'm going to pick the first one, right click on it, and then click the media player. Now if you have other media players, you can use OpenWid and look for the media player that you want to use, like QuickTime. Windows Media Player is listed here again. I'm going to click that because just about all the Windows operating system have that media player. So I'm going to click it. And video will be open and will start playing. I'm going to go ahead and close this. Cancel dialog box, and this video session is now over. The next video will be on how to install the software.